By Hairinbeauty Hair. I do have a 99J. It is a 13 by 4 T-lace wig. It is in a 24-inch and it's 150% density. I'm just going to demonstrate how I exactly install this wig and just give you a short review on this hair after I received it. So I had gotten this wig within, I believe it took just about maybe about 4 days. It took the average 3 to 5 business days for it to come in. And I had no problems. It does come with a wig cap and lashes in the box. I will insert clips of me actually unboxing the video, unboxing the wig, so you can actually see everything that came in the box and how it was presented. It did have everything included with the hair. Now on the back of the box, it does actually show you exactly how to upkeep with the hair. So if you don't know how, of course it will show you. And that was all. So I am going to show you the wig. Wig is a 99J, 24 inches. As you can see, it is super duper long and it looks so thick for it to be 150% density. It's really thick. Only thing I did was straighten it. This wig did come straight, but I did just straighten it just a little bit more so it can be silky straight. So you can definitely see the shine, the full body, and it has so much movement to this hair. I did go ahead and trim just a tiny bit of the bottom so it can have just a straight blunt cut ends. I didn't trim light at all. It probably was like a centimeter off the bottom, but I absolutely love the way this wig looks. I did go ahead and pluck the part just to define it a little bit more. Of course, a T-lace is just in the middle, and of course it has just the hairline available for you just in case you wanted to do baby hairs. So I did go ahead and define the part just a little bit more. I didn't really do too much on the sides because it didn't really give too much room on the sides. So I think all I'm going to do is just have it in the middle. I may create a baby hair in the middle. I'm not sure yet. It just depends on what it looks like on me because, you know, I don't know. So I haven't actually put this wig on, so I have no idea what it's going to actually look like. But I am going to take it off the mannequin so y'all can see exactly what it looks like on the inside and the full details of this wig. And with this wig, you do not have to bleach the knots or anything. All you really need to do is just apply your makeup. Or if you have some type of lace tint to it, that's all you need. You don't need to bleach any knots because I believe if you were to bleach the knots, you will actually ruin the hair. It did come in a transparent lace. This is exactly what it looks like. So you can see the T part of the lining of the actual parting space. You can see on the sides right here, it does not give too much siding part. So that is why I didn't pluck the sides. So I am just going to do basically just a middle part install, nothing too dramatic, but I am just going to install this wig. It does just have combs at the bottom and it does have combs where the temple area is. The 2 combs at the top where the temples are and 1 at the bottom. It does have the adjustable straps on the side if you need to tighten it. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to cut off the back piece of the lace because normally I don't ever do that, but I'm just going to go ahead and cut it off. And as you see, I already have my wig cap on, so I'm just going to leave my wig cap the way it is, and I'm actually going to take some makeup and just put it right in the lining of the parting space. This is the makeup I'm using. It's just a contour palette. Just pick the closest one that's closest to your complexion and just fill in the piece. So that is what it looks like. I just colored it just a straight line down. And of course, you can see already it looks like scalp. So when you install this, it's just going to be a straight line where it looks like you just did a middle part. So I am just going to go ahead and install it. I'm not going to cut off the lace just yet because I have no idea what this lace or what this wig looks like on me. Y'all, I just got so excited because this looks really good. Okay, so I am just looking at what it looks like. So the line is directly on me. This hair is so silky. So I am gonna, you know, I don't know. This is giving me all types of vibes, you know. So I am going to remove this wig and I am just going to go ahead and cut off the lace. And I am just cutting it with scissors. If you want to use an eyebrow razor, go ahead. But I am just cutting it as close to the hairline as possible because I don't want any of the lace to show because I did not color the other pieces of the lace. I just colored the middle part. So I'm just going to cut it as close as possible. And you still want to kind of cut it in like a jagged line, a jagged straight line, because you still want it to look as real as possible for the hairline. And you can't really see too much of the lace at the top. Of course, I just left the little pieces of baby hairs right there just in case. So I'm going to install this again. And this is what the wig looks like. Y'all can't see nothing at all. Nothing at all. Like it looks just like scalp. Just like scalp. And again, this is 24 inches, so I do want to stand up so y'all can see how long it is on me. I am 5'6", so just remember that when I am standing up. It does stop about mid-stomach. So after installing this wig, the only suggestions I will make is, you know, make sure you size it to your head because it does feel a tad bit big, but that's because I did not adjust the straps in the back. And that's basically it, y'all. This wig is completely glueless. It's completely gorgeous. It's nice and silky. It's super soft. Like, you know, I'm definitely loving this wig. It is so nice to switch up. It's very affordable. I will leave everything down below. Like, my fingers run right through it. Like, this is like water, like straight water, and it looks so nice with my complexion, y'all. I'll be so scared because I be feeling like I need dark roots, and you can like move it up if you need to. And all of that, y'all, this wig looks so good. The parting space goes all the way back here. Space does go really far back. Of course, it's a 13x4, but it does go back to about midway in my head. So I do love that. And if you do want to do baby hairs with this hair, you can. Not saying you can't. I am going to show you what the sides look like. So because I cut off, you know, all you got to do is just color in the sides. All of that is just lace. You can just melt it down with your got-to-be glue, but I am not, because this really does just feel secure on my head. It's just a little big in the back, but I should have just did the bands. Of course, you do have your combs, so just install your combs to your braids underneath and your cap, and you will be good to go. This is a very quick summer hairstyle, y'all. I can't stop touching it because it's so soft. Like, this hair is really soft. I have no static to it. I haven't received any shedding with this hair. This hair is just really strictly gorgeous. It takes heat very well. I had no problem straightening it. I got it super flat. It already came flat, but I got it extremely flat. So it's really a good look. Like, it's really a good look. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do that now. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Again, I will leave everything down below, and tell me what y'all think about this hair. Leave it in the comments down below. And thank y'all again for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.